Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to lock cells that have formulas in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you will select your cell that have formula. So here you can see that I have this cell, and this cell has basically this sum formula here. So if I want to basically lock it, I will just right click, go to this format cells option, and in this protection tab you can see it's locked. So by default all of the cells are locked, but this will not work because you need to basically lock your entire sheet with a password. Okay, so what you will do here, you will basically go into this review tab here, and then here basically you will see this option where it says protect sheet. So just click on this option here. Okay, and basically what you're gonna have to do here, that you need to basically protect it with a password. Okay, so password to unprotect sheet, and then basically you will enter a password. You will basically set a password. Okay, and make sure that these two are checked. Select locked cells and select unlocked cells. Okay, so then you will enter a password here, 12345. Click on OK and re-enter password 12345, and now basically your sheet is protected. And when basically you send this sheet to someone, then basically they can actually just view it. Okay, they basically just can't change any kind of formula in it. Okay, and if they want to change something in it, they need to have to use this password. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.